Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to Google Wallet in 2025. If you've been struggling with multiple payment apps or just want a seamless way to move your funds, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, things have gotten even simpler in 2025 with updated integrations between PayPal and Google Wallet. But before we start, make sure you have both accounts set up and verified. You'll need a linked bank account or card in PayPal, and Google Wallet should be updated to the latest version on your device. Step 1. Open your PayPal app or head to the website on your computer. Log in with your credentials and navigate to the Wallet or Money section. Look for the Transfer Funds option. It's usually right there on the dashboard. Step 2. Once you're in the transfer menu, select Withdraw or Send to another service. In 2025, you'll see Google Wallet as a direct option thanks to new partnerships. If it's not showing up, you might need to link your accounts first. To do that, go to Settings and search for Connected Apps or Partners. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye out for any fees. Transfers might cost a small percentage, depending on your location. Double-check the details, then hit Confirm. You'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone for security. Step 4. Sit back and wait. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster processing, it could be instant in some cases. Once it's done, check your Google Wallet balance to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick tip. Always review exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies, and make sure your Google Wallet is set as your default for seamless future transactions. That's it for the steps. If you run into any issues, reach out to PayPal or Google support. They're pretty responsive these days. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.